Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with CJ Dropshipping, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your CJ Dropshipping account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your store settings. Click on the Finance section in the sidebar menu. Select the budget option to access your budgeting tools. Start by determining your overall budget for dropshipping. Consider your expected expenses like inventory, shipping, and marketing. Allocate funds based on different areas of your business. Use the budgeting calculator provided by CJ Dropshipping for guidance. Input your estimates for inventory costs based on your product selection. Factor in shipping fees associated with your order volumes. Create a separate budget for unforeseen expenses. Monitor your budget on a weekly or monthly basis. Adjust allocations as necessary based on performance metrics. Utilize the analytics tools available to track your sales and expenses. Evaluate the effectiveness of your budget regularly. Implement changes based on your business's growth and seasonal trends. Keep detailed records of all transactions for accuracy. Review and reassess your budget every few months. Engage with the CJ Dropshipping community for additional insights. Continuously refine your budgeting process as you gain experience. This strategic approach will help you maximize profitability in your dropshipping venture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.